So hard in it.
You just can't get in. Hey. So Jordan, how would you rate your stay in Chiang Mai so far?
The hostel has been very good. But Chiang Mai is lovely. I like Chiang Mai. The night markets and the elephants is good.
Why in the 6 years we've been together have you never made the bed before? She's going now. This is an interesting tactic.
Might get that side.
We need to turn all of this into Hey, we're ready to go. Little contraption. How cool is that? So we are on the road again. We're just switching Airbnbs, so we're just going to another one for a couple of nights.
Got a 40-minute walk. Might stop off and get coffee somewhere.
And then later on this evening we have got a cooking class to go to, which I'm really excited about. You know we love our food, so can't wait for that one.
We're halfway to the next hostel. It's baking hot and very hard work with all our bags. We're trying to save as much money as we can.
That is exactly what I was going to say. You might be asking why we're not getting a taxi. It probably costs like £2, but we're trying to save as much money as we possibly can. The more money we save, the more activities we can do, the better time we're going to have. So it's a 40-minute walk, but Jesus, it's hard work.
I don't actually know what this is. I think it might be guava. A bit like kiwi. Hi, crap.
Oh no! What happened?
Put our water bottles elsewhere. But we're 5 minutes away.
This is our new room. We've got a bed, we've got a garden,
We got aircon!
got aircon.
So nice.
Yeah. TV, little breakfast bar as well. Little kitchen over here where we can make our own coffees in the morning.
Got kettle this time.
Kettle.
Hang up our clothes on here.
Like we're gonna do that. And then in here, toilet, shower, sink. There we go. This is already so much nicer than the last place. I am so grateful to have some aircon.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's a game changer, absolute game
Gonna
changer.
sleep well tonight.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get picked up for our cooking class in like
Half an hour?
half an hour. So we've got to get changed, get ready, and then we're off again. Let's go!
Cooking class.
Hello! Do you like my view?
We are at the local market and it's called Kachao Market. In Thai, the Kachao means the name of flower. Right. I will show you the stuff that you will see in the class today.
Some beers?
Got a beers, been to the market, on the way to the cooking class now. We are about to start cooking. Yeah, let's go.
Span, peel skin, and chop.
Yum.
Is that good?
It's so good.
I'm ready.
Would you like some coriander?
Yes, please.
That's more of mine.
morning.
Hey, cooking pad time.
Yeah. Still got more to go.
Then add everything in here in the wok, please. And over here 1 spoon. Alright. Right now your job is for Jordan and Jason. You need to add everything on the plate back to the mortar. Then you have to bang. Rice is gonna sit. Alright, okay, Mr. Glass noodles. Okay, good, thank you. Like that. It bubbles, that means it's ready. Like this bubbles.
Okay.
Okay, and then. Alright.
Oh.
Okay. Can you please put all of them? Alright, into the wok, please.
Okay.
Could you?
Now turning.
Scary. I don't know which ones I've done or which ones I've not done.
It's got to be done. It's hard work.
Jordan, you wanna try, please? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Then the croissant we're gonna put on top. Just like this. On top. This is the most famous dish in Chiang Mai.
Oh wow.
Right. Okay.
We've just come back from our cooking class that we did. It was amazing, and
Really good.
actually, like, we met like 2 Canadian people who were awesome. So like, it's a group event, but it was me and Jordan and the 2 of them. So it was only 4 of us.
It was really nice.
Yeah.
It was nice to get to know some other people as well.
Yeah, we like bought beers on the way there, and yeah, we had a really good time.
There's a lot of food that we cooked, so we brought some back in a doggy bag.
Yeah. My advice to anybody doing it is do not eat before you go. I know it sounds stupid, like you go into a cooking class, but the amount of food that you cook is a lot.
Like, we had lunch about 12, probably ate around 5:30, and you still couldn't finish it all. So you just have breakfast, don't have lunch.
We've got all of our food still in this bag that we're gonna maybe eat tomorrow,
And we've got a microwave in our room.
and we've got a microwave,
can
so
eat
we
it
might
tomorrow.
actually use it. But yeah, I'd highly recommend it. It was amazing.
Really
It cost £20 each. We used
Get your guide.
Get Your Guide, and we've been using that actually for a lot of our trips. It's really good actually, and the reviews on it are genuine, so just look for the cheapest thing, what has the best reviews, and we've not been disappointed once in everything that we've done, so highly recommend that. Boom. We're going to bed now, so bye. We'll see you tomorrow.